This crazy canine is better known as my dog Frankie. She's pretty cute, not gonna lie. And this dipshit you see on screen is, well, myself.
Today is the ultimate race to determine who is faster. Me on this chair,
Or this dog. Who will be faster? I'm placing my bets on the dog here.
Now let's not discredit my capabilities here. I'm still very fast in this swivel chair. Like, watch this. It's 5 seconds into this clip. Now we're 9 seconds in. I'm pretty fast.
Now the racetrack is going to be very simple. It's going to be leading right up to this gate. And the first person to get from the gate to the starting point will be the winner. And we'll do several rounds so I can have decent content for the day. Let's just do a quick test race to see how fast you can go.
Frankie.
I think it's safe to say the dog won that race. Whatever, dog. You think you're better than me? Stop it. Hey, stop it. Stop moving. Ah! I'm limited to where I can go. Okay, let's film an actual race now.
I've decided that this is the best possible position for the chair. You know how that little lever on the side, it makes it go higher or lower? And that's the best possible position for it, is for it to be lower. I don't know what I'm saying here. And I just realized my outfit looks like I'm a discount Unis Honest. But that's exactly what this channel is, so I mean, it's whatever. Okay, dog.
You ready to race? All right, I'll take that. I'll take that as a yes. I got to get a tripod set up because I'm doing this by myself.
Okay, race number 1. Racing to that fence and back. The dog is right down here with me. You'll just have to take my word for it. Okay, I have to use the call. Frankie, come on. Come on. Oh. Hey, what? Hey, you can't start off too doggy. You can't start off too doggy. That's not fair. You can't do that. You can't. Why are you attacking me? I'm starting to see why my friend said this was a bad idea. I'm starting to see why my friends were saying this was a bad idea. All right, now let's do POV. You're me. Hey. Oh shit! Oh shit! I almost crashed into the dog. I'm so sorry. Wait a minute. More dogs. Unfortunately, the dogs are barking and they're making it very hard to speak. That's worse. So unfortunately, that was kind of the bulk of the video. Racing the dog. I didn't think that it was going to end so quickly. We did a race in POV, so you already saw me beat the dog twice. I don't know. I guess I could just. I don't know. I mean, I guess in the meantime, you could admire the beautiful backyard, not that. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. So, sorry it's a bit shorter than I would have liked it to be, but I guess that's really all you can get out of your dog. Anyways, don't worry about the leaf pile behind me. Nothing to worry about with it, okay? So just be sure to like, subscribe. Alright, so maybe there's something I can use back here. Oh god, that's nasty. I'm gonna need backup. I came as quickly as I got the call. What's going on? Yeah, we got an issue down here, code 75. And also, that's not a phone, it's a cassette player. Well, that explains the poor service. Yeah. Did you try turning it off and turning it back on again? Trust me, the last thing I want to do is try to turn it back on. Yeah, let's replace this one immediately. But keep the shirt. Keep the same shirt. Why would we do that? Well, may as well dispose this thing.